Very good morning. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And I welcome you all for this lecture series on plant protection machinery. And this is the lecture 3, topic 3, and it discusses about the dusters, what are all the various types of dusters as well as the application of these various dusters. So to save the types of dusters, depending upon the source of power, it can be classified as manually operated dusters as well as the power operated dusters. So these manually operated dusters are further classified as package dusters, plunger duster, bellow duster as well as the rotary duster. So to save the package dusters, in some pesticides, dust are packed in containers does serve as a hand application and may be discarded after use. So once application is over, it will be discarded as it consisting of the poisonous chemicals. These are mostly provided in rubber, leather or plastic section, which on getting squeezed provided a puff of air that emits the dust in a small cloud. The simplest type of package duster is worked by pressing in between the two fingers. So this is a very basic types of duster which is known as the package duster. And the next type is the plunger duster. So this consists of a air pump of simple plunger type, a dust chamber and a discharge assembly which consisting of a straight tube or small exit pipe whose discharge outlet can be increased or decreased by moving a lid provided at the end of the dust chamber. So the air pump from the pump is directed through the tube into the container where it agitates the dust and ejects it from the discharge orifice or the tube. And the amount of dust can be controlled by the speed of operation of the pump. They are useful for spot application in restricted areas and for controlling ants, poultry pest and pests of farm animals. The next type is the bellow duster. So in the bellow may be used from bellow duster, either it may be made up of rubber, leather or plastic. On squeezing it puffs the air that expels the dust in a small cloud, and handheld bellow dusters can has containers of capacity from 30 grams to 500 grams. So the bellows can operate either directly by hand or by means of handle provided for that purpose. So either directly by means of hand it is possible for us to apply the insecticides in the form of fine powder. So the Naxpack duster has the container capacity of 2.5 kg to 5 kg. The air blast developed by the bellow draws the dust from the hopper and discharges to the delivery spout intermediately. So dusters are suitable for spot treatments. And the next type is the rotary duster. So it consists basically of the blower complete with a gearbox as well as a hopper. So hopper, by means of hopper we will go for giving the input of the insecticides. It is operated by rotating the crank. The cranking motion is transmitted to a gearbox to the blower. A drive is taken from the dust agitator located in the hopper. So the rotary duster may be hand carry type or shoulder mounted or belly carrier type. So these are the various methods by which we are carrying this rotary dusters. Those feed is controlled by the feed control lever which operates a slide to control the aperture at bottom of the hopper. And to say this is a power duster, and the image shows the image for this power duster. The resemble of rotary duster is in construction, except that the power to drive the blower through the gearbox is tapped from an external power source, which may be an engine or a PTO shaft of the tractor or flywheel of a power tiller. So by means of either from the PTO of the tractor or by means of flywheel by the power tiller or by means of some certain external engine, it is getting power for this power duster. Since it is taking power from the other sources, we used to term it as a power duster. The power operator centrifugal energy knapsack sprayer also can be converted to a power duster. by allowing the dust fluid into a air stream near the point of attaching the plating hose in a below elbow. And to say about some of the recommendations of World Health Organization in the year 1974 for these dusters are sheet hopper should not be less than 0.63 mm thick, and the concave bottom of the hopper permits all the dust to move towards the feeding aperture. The fan should be capable of discharging 0.84 meter cube of air per minute at a speed of 35 rotation per minute. And uses of spraying and dusting equipments in general. So the spraying and dusting equipment are used for the following purposes: for the insecticide applications to control insects based on crops and in stones, houses, kitchen, poultry farms, barns, etc. It is used for insecticide application to control insects, pest, etc. For the acaricides application of control phytophagous, for the fungicides and bactericides application to control the plant diseases. These sprayers and dusters are generally used. For the herbicide application to help kill the weeds. So we should know that herbicides, it's like insecticides which is applied for killing the insects. These herbicides are applied for the purpose of killing the weeds. For a hormone spray application to increase the fruit set or to prevent the premature dropping of fruits. For the application of plant nutrients as foliar spray, and for applying the powdery formulation of poisonous chemicals on the crops and for any other purposes. So thank you for watching this lecture series of plant protection machinery, and this video topic 3 discuss about the types of dusters. Thank you for watching this video.